Hello, today we're going to be solving the differential equation du over dt is equal to 2t plus secant squared of t all over 2u. And in this example, I'm given some condition where I know that u of 0 is equal to -5. So this equation's already laid out quite nicely. I can just rearrange and say that 2u du is equal to 2t plus the secant squared of t dt. And I can integrate this just as is. So I have some indefinite integral, and since this is 2u, I can just say this when it integrates is u squared, because this u gains a 2 out the front and gains 1/2 out the front. The 2's cancel each other out. Likewise here, since this has a 2 out the front as well, I can say this is going to be t squared. And if you're ever in doubt, just look at an integral table, or sometimes you can find a calculator that has integrals on it if you're lucky enough. Otherwise you have to memorize them, and that's a pain, but it's alright. Secant squared of t, when it integrates, it becomes the tangent of t. So tan of t plus c. And c is my constant because there are no limits of integration listed. And so that's why I have this initial condition, or this condition out front, that I can plug in. I can say 0 squared, just plugging it in, plus tan of 0 plus c equals 25. U squared, I just plugged in -5. -5 times -5 is 25. And so therefore c is equal to 25. Now I look at this, and it's always important to go one step further, because you can look at this equation and solve for u. This is u squared, so u would be the square root of t squared plus tan t plus 25. So I look at this, I know that u of 0 equals -5. And if I plug in a 0 here, a 0 here, these would both be zeros, I'm still left with u equal to 5. So this, in its current form, is not correct. In order to achieve -5, I have to put a negative out the front. And this will leave me with negative the square root of t squared plus the tangent of t plus 25. And if you plug that in, you'll indeed get u equal to negative 5. I will write my 5 a little bit better here. So whenever you're left with a condition like this, be wary and use it as a precaution that you might not be done yet until you have verified that by plugging this in, you can get the negative 5. So I hope you found this video enjoyable. I hope it helped you out some, and I really appreciate you liking and commenting or subscribing. I really appreciate it. Thank you.